Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. I have found the most versatile set of vases. This is by Amazing Abby, and this is a 3 set. So they're all different sizes, so you have such variation. They're made of acrylic, which is so nice, especially in our house because we have kids, and now our vases can't break. One concern I had was when you hear plastic vases, you think that they're going to be flimsy and fall over, be top heavy if you put too many flowers in them. I didn't think about that at all once I was putting flowers in this. They feel very secure. It's not like a cheap plastic, it's very nice, thick acrylic. It was really fun to come up with different ways to use these vases, whether you need them for a wedding. Another thing I thought was really cool is because they fit into each other, you can decorate around one vase and still have a vase in the middle. Or instead of flowers, put a candle in and look how beautiful it looks. This would be so romantic for a nice dinner or for a centerpiece at your wedding. This is the smallest vase inside the largest vase because I needed a little bit thicker area to put flowers, but you can switch out between the middle and the small vase inside, so you get different variances depending on what you want to put in here. Overall, I think these vases are so pretty. They don't look cheap. They don't look like plastic. They look like really high-end glass vases, and they are perfect for whatever you need, just having everyday vases around your house or for a special occasion like your wedding. And that's my point of view.